Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Hope you had a great Monday. It's definitely one of those, I think, calm before the storms. We're going to get into that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's get into the market. So we ended up with the S&P down 0.72% for the day, Dow Jones down 0.39% for the day, and the NASDAQ down 1.03% down for the day. Overall, the markets were down, not as much as I might have anticipated. The weird thing is, even though the markets was down like that and the VIX was up for most of the day, we also had the UVXY falling. Now that is one of our plays we picked up on Friday. I was expecting it to have a run up over the next few days, but it continued to come down today. So I used that as a buying opportunity. I picked some up when it dropped down under 980, which brought our average down even more. We picked some up at 1001 on Friday, and we already had a position. I'd have to look. Let's see, where was our position at? We also had a position up at 1035. So at this point, we've got 3 positions in it. We've got a pretty good size stake in the UVXY, and I still believe there's a very good chance that coming into tomorrow and Wednesday that we could see that drive down and see those make some money. Now, Coinbase also had a really bad day, down over 8%. But with what I said this morning, I do want to be very cautious. So I did pick up some, but only a small stake in it, not even a full position, because I do believe that there's potentially more downside. However, if I'm wrong and the market's going up, I do want to have some exposure to that. So I did pick up some Coinbase today with it dropping so much. The beauty is, even if it has a small pop before it comes down, I could make some money on that. So I am happy about getting that position, but today is one of those days that I want to preach to everybody: patience. I do like to move. I like to move money as fast as possible. That's how I make as much returns as I do, and that's why I tell you that, a little 8 to 10% return is just absolutely laughable. Once you learn the velocity of money, you can do much better than that. However, even though I like to move money as quickly as possible, there are days that you just need to be patient. You don't want to get so overzealous that you run head on into a wall. There's times that you just need to be patient, take your breath, and see where things are going, and that is definitely what we're doing right now. We're waiting to see what's happening. You see the bulls and the bears, everybody's being patient right now. They want to see what Jerome Powell's going to come out and say, and whether he's going to do a 75-point rate hike, or whether he's going to pivot and become more dovish and maybe just do a 50-point rate hike. And that's what everything is hinging on right now. So we just got to be patient, take a breath, look for great opportunities. If a great opportunity presents itself, that's fine. But remember that we've run up. So even if we have a great opportunity, the market has quite a bit of downturn it can take if the Fed comes out and I think announces a 75-point rate hike that we're not all the way priced in. Then we could see a downturn, and we need to be ready for that. I'm always looking for great opportunities and ways to make money, but I also always want to be cautious enough. I don't want anyone out there losing money. I want you all making money. So if you like the sounds of that, you're not already subscribed to the channel, do so. If you're subscribed to the channel, hit that like button for me. Just smash that. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm so I can get this out to as many people as possible. Because you don't even have to know someone to wish them prosperity, and that's what this channel is about bringing prosperity. Using this money printing machine known as the stock market and crypto markets to be able to bring prosperity to people. Now, one of the plays I did make today, just because we got crypto pulling back just a little bit, my Algorand was still up. I did sell my Algorand. We picked up a position in it back at just under 30 cents. I sold it at 36 cents today for a solid 20% uptick in Algorand. I was happy to see that. Overall, I like getting that play out of the way. If we have a pullback in the market, then I'm going to be looking to pick that position up, because if you've watched any of my crypto videos, extremely bullish on Algorand long term, and I do want to be holding it. But I also like to trade when things run up massively and then look for those buyback in opportunities. So that's what I did with my Algorand today, and just getting ready for the next run. So with that being said, catch me in the morning. We'll look at the markets. We'll see where we might be going. We'll make our plays for the day. Until then, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.